Bila!
Winning by Boy Rosario.
Wala sundot!
Enjoy sa tayo.
Okay, Mataranta.
Wala Reyes, Pepataya.
Bila.
2 minutes and 50 seconds na.
Ilalim! Nice! Pogi! Pogi!
Basket ay mamawa.
Pogi lagi.
Ayun pala si Pogi. Nakakita na natin si Pogi.
Oh no.
Tutukan natin si Pogi. Mamaya.
Foul committed by number 1. Sapaya, second personal foul. Warning for penalty, maximum. Oras natin, 2 minutes and 38 seconds left. Charity shots, give it to number 2, Labido.
Shout out, pamangkin. Tingin naman.
First shot by Labido, no good.
Pinaka-poging coach.
Second shot, basket. Substitution ref, number 1, Papaya out, Kaharain.
Kawabak. Wala sundot. Pahinga agad.
Inbound by Bayaw. Blocking foul committed by Marano. Marano first, personal foul. Second team foul.
Kaya mo sa loob.
Inbound by Kahara to Mamawat, back to Kahara.
Dalawa kayo nandiyan sa sulok. 3 seconds yan.
15 seconds to shoot. No! Rebound by Balistan to Del Rosario.
Talido na naman si Dante.
Basket by Del Rosario. Inbound by Mamawat to
Shout out Dangel De Rosario.
Lapit!
15 seconds to shoot. Basket by Loyola.
Grabe, intense, intense. Ito ang semis. Yan ang
Shot
semis.
by De Los Reyes.
Diretso, Anjur!
Nakuha ni Mamawat. Level.
Semis pakpakan. Grabe. Nice.
Substitution. Number 11, Del Rosario out, Alcantara in.
Sa loob, huwag kang foul ng foul. Sa score, kaya yung bumawi ng score sa foul. Pag nag-trade, wala ka.
15 seconds to shoot. Manila, still Labido, 4-3. No good. Rebound by Loyola. Oras natin, 1 minute and 28 seconds left. No good. Jump ball possession po ng maximum.
Palitan mo muna si Anjur.
No good. No good. 10 seconds to shoot. Spot. No good. Rebound by Mamawat. 2. De Los Reyes. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket by De Los Reyes.
Ao!
1 minute exactly. 10 remaining para sa ating first quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. Labido. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Intercept by Mamawad. Megan. Rebound by Punela to Alcantara. 23 seconds left. Alcantara 43. Alcantara 3 points. 95 seconds left.
Last shot, last shot! Last shot ka na, Anjur.
Mamawad. Big ball, 15 seconds left.
Seconds na lang yan.
Inbound by Balistan. Labido.
Walang pantay.
10 seconds left. Labido. 3 points.
Grabe naman.
Alex!
Totoy.
5 seconds left. Foul committed by number 10, Alcantara. Alcantara first. Personal foul, third team foul.
Body check lang, walang talon ng talon.
Oras natin, 1 second left.
Walang talon ng talon, walang sagot.
At lang po nagtatapos sa ating first quarter sa score na 23-15 in favor of Triple.